The moment you've been waiting for is the coin price value that is being governed is fair according to database and fundamentals and usage, which would probably indicate certain things that you may think, oh my god. Anyways, everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to learn more about cryptocurrency, hit that subscribe button and press that bell button. Also, say hello, leave a comment. I don't bite. Trust me. Anyways, on the screen you see something very, very nice. It's a load of usage of XRP. Okay, going to talk about it. Yes, that taboo subject. What is the fair price of it? Which I'm going to show you later on. However, let's talk about the fundamentals of any kind of cryptocurrency asset. For me, research is key. Finding an asset that has a genuine use case that it will get used is obviously key as well. But are people genuinely using it? And according to this website, fiatleak.com, there's a whole ton of transactions going through with XRP, which is a lot more than any other cryptocurrency out there at the minute, which is obviously a big tick in the box. We know that BTC people don't like it. We know that other coins hate it. Personally, I hold it. I also hold a lot of BTC. I also hold Ethereum. I'm going for that boat. You know, follow the hype essentially. I also hold other altcoins. However, XRP is a weird one. Borderless payments, pretty good. It's very, 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 very fast. I use it a lot to move shit around. It's also incredibly cheap. But it has partnerships with the likes of MoneyGram, TransferGo, which is also on buses in London. So why the beef? Why does it not get the price action that it's required? Is it because the majority of the altcoin market is in a bear market? It is still in a rut. Most of the assets out there are coming down. You've also got to put into consideration as well, BTC could well be coming down for a nice little correction before halving happens, and the halving aftermath essentially 2020, 2021 and beyond there when you look at previous data. However, your BTC pair of this might go up, so keep an eye on it. So I want to look at two little things first. There's a lot of transactions here. That's pretty good, pretty damn good, and that matters if you are looking as an investor in a coin that's used. We know if you go on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or whatever, there's thousands of shit coins. Thousands of them. They're all bollocks. There's only some that stand out from the crowd. And you've got to remember, the market cap's quite high on this. It's good. It's been around for a while. It's always good. The team's pretty good. Always good. And most notably, you've got transactions. So, history. History tells us that this has been a lot higher in the past. Investment opportunity. Is it one? Yes. Why? It's a lot lower than these. The thing is with investors, the good ones, right? They buy, obviously, before it goes, and again, when it gets low. Market cycles are key. People are flapping. Look at the likes of Superman on his latest video. Oh my god. Yeah. Flapping like hell because it's, oh, all these derivative exchanges are ruining it. They're not. They're not ruining it. People aren't buying. Simple as that. The market psychology of people is BTC not really getting used that much. I'm not really that excited about it. Ethereum, it's got scaling problems, not really that excited about it. XRP, not really been used fully by the banking corporations and all those institutions yet. But in a couple of years' time, where will we be? You always have to buy low. If the fundamentals don't change, you buy them. But XRP has been all the way up to the dizzy heights of $3.30, give or take. Wow. If someone said to you, put $10,000 in right now and you are guaranteed for it to retest that region, would you say yes or no? Let me know in the comments. My answer is yes, because there's always a chance. You risk what you can afford to lose. It's an investing game. It works, trust me. Look at the stock market. They go up, or they go up and down, up and down, up and down all the time. So another bit of news I want to mention as well is the whole 1 billion escrow wallet. Now, a lot of people say that this is good for the future. I think that as well. More is supply, and it reduces what they're actually holding. However, they've actually put this one back in because a lot of people are against the idea of it because they think it's crashing the price. I don't believe that is the case. I just think it's just one of those things where, you know, the market, it's just all like that. It's not, you know, not unreasonable to think that, but also you got to look at the trend. We are in a downtrend. It's not going to change much until people start really buying it up, and there's not much investment buying. People are scared. People are genuinely scared because they bought XRP when it was at the higher height of $1, $2, maybe even higher than that. So I'd hold your hat on that. I'd hold your hat and just think, maybe not. Anyways, the moment you've been waiting for is the coin price value that is being governed is fair according to database and fundamentals and usage, which would probably indicate certain things that you may think, oh my god. Anyways, this website's really cool. CoinFairValue. Okay. We don't speculate. Fair values displayed here are based on current usage of each coin. They don't contain speculation on future variations of their usage. We leave speculation to investors. I like that. I like that a lot. And this updates every 10 minutes. So, you're waiting for the big reveal. What do you reckon it really is? Because I personally think it's a lot higher with the usage in terms of how many transactions and how good it actually physically is. If you've never used XRP to do a little transaction, I suggest you try it out. It's pretty cool. But here we go. It's pretty interesting. Now I can see where they're going with this because there is a lot of usage. There is a lot of transactions going through. But it's really interesting to think that, wow. I mean, fucking wow. I mean, if someone said to me that is a fair value of a stock, right, and it's currently this price, investors would be buying it. When you look on like Simply Dividends and stuff like that on websites that tell you a fair price of an asset that you're buying, whether it's overvalued or undervalued, in the variation of you getting passive income, people look at that. We know we don't get passive income from XRP. That's off the cards. But what I'm saying is you can find out in the stock market if things are overpriced or underpriced. This would give an indication that XRP is currently undervalued at the minute. But why aren't people buying it? That's the problem. So, have we got the wrong investors? Have we got people that don't physically understand how to invest in cryptocurrencies because they've never invested in the stock market? Or is this website just shit? We don't know yet. Now, that's the underlying question. We don't physically know. But I understand and I believe and I feel that with the likes of the escrow, with the likes of the community getting pissed off with that, with the likes of people not understanding how cryptocurrency works and buying up the fucking Mount Everest, people would sell, which would create a negative speculation value on investors. Volatility. So, I think it's interesting. Now, obviously, you got one of this is pretty cool, but you know, this is obviously not chalk. You know, not chalked on the board. Essentially, not real. It's, you know, we don't know until we see the genuine prices. We do not know what the future is going to hold for any cryptocurrency asset. We don't know what Bitcoin will be like, Ethereum, XRP. So take this with a massive pinch of salt, but use this in your research. When you're doing your research, research it inside and out for a number of like days, weeks, months if you need to, and wait for a perfect time to buy. Okay, I think we're getting towards that area now where 21 cents is pretty cool. I think 18 cents, 16 cents, even lower than that, I will be buying it up. I will be freaking going in hard and I'm thinking, you know something? What's close to the banks and the institutions that will get used as a quicker payment mechanism and storage will be useful in the future. I'm thinking future. 3, 5, 10 years time. Cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is like the stock market of the early days. Finding the new tech that will get used like what we take for granted today. The likes of metal industries, Coca-Cola, weirdly, stuff like that have matured over time and lasted because people use it frequently. That's the key in how to invest in stock markets. That's the key of how to invest in the cryptocurrency market as well. Is it going to get used? How frequently will it be used? Will it be always recurring? That's what you look at for. That's why I like payment solutions more than anything. Or genuine blockchains that have a use case. So that's pretty cool, and that's all I want to talk about. Realistically, that is it. And I don't know what this methodology is. Should we have a little look? Should we have a little glimmer? A little look? Oh, it's a load of bollocks. Anyways, if you want to read that, cool. There probably is some quite good information in that, to be fair. But I do think that this is undervalued massively. This is taken from the old words of the stock market, the P&E and all of that malarkey. So fundamentals, this is pretty cool. I like this website. And yeah, I mean, over the last coming months, it's been flying. And that's probably due to what's been released, all the partnerships, and you've got all these transactions. Will it tell us? Yeah, that's going up a lot. If you look at the XRP volume, it's incredibly high. It's incredibly high, okay? Compared to other cryptocurrencies out there, I don't know how good the data is, but it does look very, very high. And when you look at the likes of Fiat League, you know, in the last minute, it's a lot. So, there you go. Hope you enjoy it. Check out the video up here, or wherever I'm pointing. Maybe useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. And if you like my content properly, you want to get notified, I do videos 3 times a week. See you later.